Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made any videos. I apologize. Had way too much going on. A lot of projects going on, and then work got super busy. And then, housework. Had to just keep up. So I didn't actually have time to make videos. But, so, it's fall. I want to start with showing you around what's going on, and then kind of what's going on with the channel, right? So my channel is about my yard, and I basically do all these projects, and this is my pretty recent project. I built this little pondless waterfall where basically the urns overflow into this reservoir and kind of disappear, and then I planted all around it, put some banana trees in, some emerald greens. And then I picked up these plants from South Carolina, dropped them in, got another one over there. So, anyway, going back to what's going on, it's fall, and I haven't really been able to make any videos because I've been so busy trying to keep up with all the different projects that I have going on. So, again, this was my most recent project. Other than that, we got a new porch put on. So this is all new, this whole new area of the yard, the porch, and back up a little bit so you can kind of see what it looks like. So once we got the porch done, I was like, all right, let's get this area finished out, and now I'm going to do something with this, don't know yet, with the green giants. Also got my stream working. I don't know if I showed you the working stream from the last video. But basically, here we go. So again, another pondless waterfall stream comes out. The reservoir is over there, and it disappears, and then obviously it just shoots back up to there. So this is again fall, and this is where these are some of the projects that I was working on throughout the year. Other than that, most of my videos have to do with hedges. So the green giant hedges that I've been trying to plant around my yard and fill them in. But what I'm thinking is, now that I might have a little bit of time, although I am planning some trips, so I might not have that much time, but I'm going to try to push out a video a week again, at least a video a week. And with that said, this is going to be, I guess, my return back to YouTube video. The only thing is, I think I'm going to change the theme of it a little bit. So it's still about my yard. It's still about all the crazy things I have going on between the pheasants, the chickens, the pigeons, the garden, and so on. But I think I want to start making it a little more business oriented. I was propagating green giant arborvitaes. People kept emailing me if I could send them some, and I was sending them out, and I kept running out, and people were like, just send us all of them, and we'll pay, and we'll even pay for them. And I was like, But then what came to me was, well, I could use any funding and help either build the channel up or help with subsidizing some of my projects that I'm constantly working on. So I'm switching this channel up to a little bit of like a home nursery slash hatchery type of thing. So I'm gonna end up propagating tons of plants, attempt to sell them next year, and go from there. So my channel is gonna be kind of a business finance channel, or I'm gonna try to make it a business finance channel. But yeah, so here's the front yard. Real quick, I got that stream right here. Goes into kind of the woods. I gotta clean that up. And then back here it goes into these fountains, and then from the fountains it's this giant porch that we just got put on. It's a little messy, I apologize. I gotta plant some more plants, clean stuff up, bring some plants in. Alright, with that said, I'm going to put this video on pause. We're going to go into a backyard. I'll show you the most recent project that's going on that's going to help me with this business venture I'm trying to do. Okay, so my most recent project is this greenhouse kit that I purchased. So the theory is with the greenhouse I'll be able to propagate plants throughout the winter. I don't have to stack them at home inside the house, because I'm starting to get way too many plants. I got guavas, bananas, citrus fruit, you know, so I gotta place them somewhere. But yeah, so this is a greenhouse I picked up. It's 10 by 14 in the area I live. If you have anything greater than 144 square feet, you need a permit. Fortunately, this is 10 by 14, 140 square feet, so I'm 4 feet under. Don't need a permit, which I'm pretty excited about. Anyway, some of the theories on this, once this is done, well, first off, let me tell you, I watch videos on how to do this, and they're like 5 minutes long. This is gonna take some time, and I'm not even building it. My buddy Eugene's building it. He's good at this stuff. I could build stuff, just not kits for some odd reason. But anyway, I still have all those parts left. Gotta finish the roof. It's coming out a little crooked, so I gotta figure that part out. But anyway, the theory is I'm gonna be able to grow stuff in here. I do want to get a heater. In the corner, I want to have some kind of container with a lot of water, a couple of 100 gallons, maybe 300 gallons worth of water, maybe an IBC tote or something. Water has this thermal bio transfer or something, where water will keep the room temperature, warm for a period of time. So I'm gonna have a heater, probably put a heater in the water, and then on top of it have more and have this water to help keep the heat. Plan on building a hydroponic system in here, which I'll get to later. Again, sorry for the mess. A couple of other things. I built this retaining wall. It's 42 feet long. This was a giant hill and just weeds, so I had to clear it out, built this retaining wall, build a fence to separate the chickens from this area. This area is actually going to be my own personal training area. Those raised beds, I need to move them up to here where these cardboard boxes are, and then I have to clean this area up, and this will be the next project. But again, I want to use this greenhouse to propagate a ton of plants, and you know, maybe I'll start selling off some plants, help me get more plants, help me, you know, subsidize some of the costs for the heating of this greenhouse, maybe subsidize some of the costs of the greenhouse. But yeah, so welcome back to my channel, and here we go. So quick quick updates. I got the pond up and running. The butterfly garden's pretty much done with at this point. I got some asters blooming as we go up. The green giants all look pretty good. I don't know if you watch my other videos, but these green giants were probably like 10 feet. Now they're a good solid at least 12 feet tall. Planted them about 3 years ago, I think. They were 6 feet when they started, so in 3 years they're 12 feet. So you know, they've doubled in size within 3 years. Trying to get more into the trail. Haven't had too much going on, but it's nice to capture some of the greenery before the season comes to an end, and I got a bunch of sticks to show you. But anyway, that is yeah, that's the garden. Hopefully this video will come out alright. Haven't done this in a while. I feel a little out of touch. Oh, look at that persimmons tree. Got a little persimmons growing in. Oh, got another one over here. Planted some pomegranate trees, so we'll see how all of this stuff does. And yeah, that's it. So until the next video, I appreciate you watching my videos. If you have any questions, comments, or if you have any suggestions on how to do things better, just let me know, because I'm always struggling and trying to find the best way to do stuff. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks.